I'm Nathan with J&J Plumbing. Come check this out. Oh my. They got the high efficiency 95% Rheem dual speed furnace. I can't believe it. Oh man, what a gorgeous install. Oh, and they got the 600 series April air humidifier with dual conditions. Oh, these people really care about the comfort of their home. They have the 2.5 16 SEER evaporator. Rheem. Cannot beat better comfort system. And just to top it all off, I can't believe it, they went with the 40-gallon Rheem Professional Classic Series on a hot water tank. These people care about their comfort.